KLTO stock analysis for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this one in the video till the end to find out. Klotho Neurosciences stock, it's already sitting at 20 cents with a 5% increase. As I'm looking at this, man, like it's not the best chart ever, not the best thing. Like I've done well over 41,000 videos over 5 years, you know, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. But this thing in particular, just a bearish market, you know. Even if I come back here with KLTO, I have so many previous receipts. Needless to say that my idea is still bearish. Now, how that's gonna like be put into like the freaking chart is that if I see some sort of shift from here on, then you bet I'm selling. And anything else would just rather be noise. I mean, what happens if it just keeps pumping? I'm going to be here to announce that, you know, and maybe it looked too long, but currently it's just a bearish market, and that's my idea. Because if you focus on way too much things at once, that's how you freaking get confused. But if you want to learn how to make 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. I'll see you in the next one.